my statement of my career. I love working with the companies and help them to achieve more bigger goals, and also help the people who work in the company to be more bigger success in their career and life, so they can be more happy and more fulfilled in their life. After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them? I did a couple of billion-dollar transformations in Vietnam as a CIO or director of transformation. One's of RMIT University, another one is One Medical Corporation. Besides that, I have a passion about helping other people as a calling. So I established a nonprofit organization who work on health and education as well too. So why I'm here, this is very related to about this thing, my statement of my career. I love working with the companies and help them to achieve more bigger goals, and also help the people who work in the company to be more bigger success in their career and life, so they can be more happy and more fulfilled in their life. So with that one, I did last 3 years a lot of research about 100 to 200 companies. I interviewed different managers, directors, CEOs, and I was understanding what are the key problems. And then after doing the 3 year of research, established this VSHR Pro Academy to help the professionals and the companies to achieve more bigger goal. So that's the thing. So these are the one I've been speaking a few hundreds of conferences last couple of 2 to 3 years of time, and I've been running different kind of online and offline programs as a speaker, and around 15,000 people got to learn from it, and I love it, and I love to do this one, and I'm so excited to be in front of you to share more of the things as well. Dive, what are the key things you can really do to build your employee experience for your team, or even you are an HR or being a manager for your teams. So if you have any questions, please put it on in your notes who are participating directly, and you can bring up your questions to ask the panelists, and we'll do our best to put our head together to answer you. And the people, the viewers who are watching in the live stream, please go ahead and comment below into the video. We'll pick up your questions, and we'll do our best to answer as many as questions to you, all of you, for your favor.